Lane, can you show us how to edit a learning unit that you've already entered into the system?
Sure, I sure can do that. So this is my certification list, and I have already loaded a couple into my CCPR and my CCCA, and I had previously loaded a bunch of them all at once. So I have multiple pages, and you can see that the ones on the first page do not have an edit button. And this is because they have already been used and applied to my CCS recertification. And then I'm going to go over here to the edit button. And it starts down where the attribution section is. So I'm going to say CCPR. And it was a 1 hour course. So I'm going to use 1 hour, or you could use the arrows. And then I'm going to scroll back up to the beginning. See, it populated the education name. It did not have the date. So I'm going to go here and scroll up to 2024, May 23rd. There we go. All right, it's already attributed. I don't need to upload a file, and then complete. And now I have two attributed to my CCPR certification. If I go back down to that, remember it's on the second page. And then as I scroll up, you'll see I've got LED clarifications. I've got that on my CCPR on both of those. So there's how can generative AI accelerate BIM at federal agencies? So it's been attributed to my CCPR.